Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you see a rope or a wheel in the drills, don't throw it in the fire. Keep it. If you see a town or wolf, use this technique so you won't die. Like this guys. Like this. You see that? It's alive. Use this technique to kill werewolf or zombies in the town. Oh bro. Guys, you see that bundle, the outlets? You can kill this but I'm gonna revive. Okay guys, I'm back. Like this guys, so this, let's wait for a zombie comes here in the train because it is 9 p.m. It's almost 10 p.m. Let's wait for a zombies go there. Let's test. I wait. No, I missed. I run. Wait. I'm gonna wait. It's wrong. Bro, I'm lag. So lag. Wait. Let's test it out. Bro, it's a wait. I'm gonna try again. Wait. Because it is so lot of zombies. We will just wait. Hey you, what are you doing here? Hey you. Bro, these zombies is so annoying. I'm so calm. It's 2 a.m. now. Okay guys, I see a house there. If they have zombies. Yes, come here. Wait there in the wheel. There. Go over there. Okay, there. Let's see if he died. No, bro. It's not working. Last. You see that zombie is alive now. It's it's dead. It's dead. And the werewolf will be dead. Bye guys. Bye guys. Subscribe to my channel and like. Bye.